I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else, and I've been feeling lonely.
So we are at a place called Alexandra Falls, and then we're going to go to some gorge after this, and then we're going to see the 7 colours of the earth, which is the reason we came out. But our driver is taking us all around Mauritius first. And here we are, Alexandra Falls viewpoint. The view looks good.
This king size bed, I'm trying not to worry.
Okay, this is 0 filters, and you can see how blue the ocean is.
Always on my mind, baby, why you play?
Actually don't know where the ocean ends and the sky begins. It's crazy. If you look over here, you can see a waterfall in the distance.
Look me in my eyes and tell me how I'm hypnotized.
If we go this way, we've got the bigger waterfall, which is Alexandra Falls, I'd imagine. But very nice. Stop 1 of a 3 or 4 stop day. Then back to the hotel. Try and do some filming in the ocean. Yeah. Let's keep going.
I've been feeling lonely in this king size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Right, so this is Black River Gorge, which is the next place we're at, and we're just walking up to the edge. Just wait until you see this. Ready?
You're playing with my love. I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how I'm hypnotized.
Don't be too jealous.
I'm hypnotized.
Okay, so we're jungle trekking alone. Wowza. So it's getting a little bit more exciting now, actually. We started, as I said before, going to a tea factory. And then, I mean, we all like to drink our tea, don't get me wrong, but it was just a few bushes. From the tea factory, we went to see some sugarcane fields, which is, you know, just a field. Oh, I found something. Whoppa! Get ready for this. I don't know how close I can get to the edge, oh my goodness. The things you do for a video, peeps. But it's pretty damn beautiful. So this is Chamarel Falls, and then we're going to see the 7 colours of the earth, but this is a very nice waterfall, as you've just seen. I just said the sky doesn't look real at all. I'll give you another look. sun is out and the colours are coming out, and it actually looks a lot better. I guess it is quite interesting. It's alright. It's pretty cool. That's what we're looking for, people. Of nature here in Mauritius, with the stone benches and the big waves. Life is good. Finally, we're back at the hotel. So it was a very nice day. It was a nice exploration of the south of Mauritius. We went to Chamarel, to the 7 colours of the earth. We went to a few waterfalls. Here's the view as I walk to my room. No complaints. So I think I'm gonna get some food and then we're gonna take this bad boy into the ocean. So I got my room number, which was 57, and I was thinking, how cool would it be if Azamat was 58? Give me your room key. Give me your room key. Man's next door. So tonight's gonna be a good night. Are you ready?
Maybe I was naked, man.
Oh well, if you was naked, you'd left your door open. Okay, what's going on, guys? It's currently 9 AM in the morning. We've been awake since about 6, myself and Azamat. We went to take some photos down on the beach around sunrise time. Then we went for some breakfast, took some more photos, and now we've come back, got ready to go out into the ocean. So I think the plan is to go and do some kayaking. So we're going to take the boat out onto the, well, it's not an ocean, but out onto the water, let's say. Try and get underneath there, see what's living at the bottom of the water, so to say. And just to show you a quick view from the window. Kayaks. It's a little bit windy, but what to do? So I'm going to get on the kayaks, we're going to go out. I'm going to swap to the G-Dome, so the sound quality probably won't be that good, so I'll probably just not speak. But the footage should be quite nice, so we'll try and get some photos half in, half out of the water. Try and get some videos under the water. And yeah, sit back, relax, enjoy the next clip. Okay, so we're out on the kayak.